How to upgrade to Shopify Plus in 2025. So in this video, I will show you how to get on Shopify's enterprise plan step by step. So make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. And from the left menu, you can scroll down and click settings. Step 2, select a plan. And here you will see your current subscription details. Look for the contact sales or upgrade to Shopify Plus option. Step 3, fill out the contract form with your business information, including your current monthly sales, store link, and primary contact details. Step 4, a Shopify Plus representative will reach out to discuss pricing and contract terms. And this usually takes 24 to 48 hours. Step 5, once you accept the offer, Shopify will process your upgrade and unlock Plus exclusive features such as advanced API calls, dedicated account management, and custom checkout. And that's it. You can now start using Shopify Plus for high volume sales. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.